Because una sinabi mo, ang gusto talaga malaman ng tao, ano ba mangyayari sa presyo ng langis? Bababa ba, tataas ba, o magme-maintain? And then you went to, again, an interesting part when you explained everything na bumibili tayo ng fuel sa Gulf states, dinadala po sa Asian countries para i-refine bago po dalhin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya sabi nyo, hindi ba mas makakamura tayo basically kung mag G2G o mag government to government tayo? Please, siguro balikan po natin yung inyong sinabi, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, but because we rely so much on the crude oil from the Gulf states. So ito hindi to refined so they have to go pass through again countries which have big refinery facilities in order to have to be yung use ng oil no, hindi siya agad-agad diretso. Ang problema kasi in the Philippines, we only have I guess one refinery facility which is in Bataan. So ang problema kasi natin, once we do the traditional arrangements, only these big companies, oil companies that actually buys from these Gulf states, no, for the use of the country, and so the country will only have to be the middleman in this case. Kasi that's how I observe it. Kasi we're talking about prices, no. Yung prices kasi would dictate by the international market price, and that also includes the importation fee, the crude oil, the refinery fee, etc. costing, which actually yung issue ng premium eh. Kasi for example, pagdating mo sa refinery na refine na dyan, let's say in South Korea or in Singapore, the biggest client and biggest client and customer that they would sell this refined na ready oil na for the use of consumption is normally mga China and the big countries. So ang nangyayari lang, kung ano nang natitira daw sa atin, yun lang yung pinag-agawan. Like for example, Philippines in Myanmar. So sino yung highest bidder? That goes along with the issue of premium. Ang nakita ko is you have the premium that is attached to the importation of crude oil, and there's an additional costing for premium in the issue of refinery.
Opo.
So yung may parang nagiging middleman tayo. Why not do what the Indonesia and Thailand actually do as a matter of policy in practice, that they go G2G. Ang binibili na nila is yung refined oil na